Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The issue at hand is how to efficiently identify common columns among data frames, starting with ABC underscore in R, and then bind them together. This can be a common situation when working with multiple data frames and wanting to merge them based on shared columns. Now, let's talk about the solution that can streamline this process. By using the dplyr package in R, we first create a list of the data frames that start with ABC underscore by leveraging specific functions like do.col and get. Then, we use the bind underscore rows function to combine these data frames, ensuring that only columns without any missing values are selected. This approach simplifies the task of identifying common columns and merging the data frames efficiently. In summary, by following the provided solution, you can easily identify and merge common columns among data frames starting with ABC underscore in R. This method optimizes the workflow and ensures a smooth process of combining the data frames seamlessly. So, give it a try and streamline your data manipulation tasks like a pro. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. See you in the next one.